Okay, let's get familiar with the software's interface. Menu bar and toolbar. The software has two interfaces, online map and road network editing. Road network editing is the workspace for users to manually build, load, edit models, and run simulations. Online map. With an internet connection, you can access the OSM map, which is default located at Shanghai Hongqiao Airport. Users can drag the map freely, or enter the latitude and longitude, for example, Singapore, 103, 80, 135, to search for and locate the target place. You can also locate a place by its name, such as Beijing. The simulation road network can be automatically generated by selecting an area with a bounding box. The OSM import settings pop-up allows users to select the target road segment types, tile map level, and save location. Click the Generate Road Network button to create the road network, and the software window will switch to the road network editing interface. Zoom in on the road network, double-click a road segment to view its details, and zoom in on an intersection to check the lane connection details. You will find the road network is constructed in a well-organized manner. Let's briefly introduce the software's toolbar and menu bar. Toolbar. Grouped by functions, it includes the following: basic tools, new file, open, save, undo. Cancel tool, shift, frame, zoom in, zoom out, full screen, add text, add image, distance measurement, ratio scale, road network scale parameters, visualization tools, parameter settings. Road network editing tools. Create link, break link, set breakpoint, create connector, decision point, create route, delete route, bus stop, bus line, traffic input, traffic light, lane change restriction, speed limit zone, work zone, borrow lane construction, accident zone, conflict relationship setting, guide arrow editing, data collector, queue counter, travel time detector, simulation setting tools. Start simulation, single step simulation, pause, stop simulation. Node module tools. Define intersection node, real-time indicators charts. Parking module tools. Parking area, parking decision point, create parking decision route. Delete parking decision route, parking time distribution. Toll station module tools. Toll lane, toll route decision point, create toll route, delete toll route. Toll lane parameters setting, toll lane list. Pedestrian tools. Pedestrian layer, pedestrian areas of various shapes, rectangular area, ellipse area, triangle area, sector area, polygonal area, sidewalk, crosswalk, pedestrian starting point, pedestrian endpoint, pedestrian route, pedestrian decision point, escalator, pedestrian gate. Emission function, set emission evaluation area, real-time emission charts. 3D module tools. 2D 3D view switching, 3D component library, editable sign, move tool, adjust objects, create individual objects, create linear objects, create polygon objects, add and adjust traffic lights, link surface features eddying, create elevated driver's view, car following view, flight roaming view, record animation, 3D display settings. You can adjust the position of the toolbar according to your habits. Menu bar. The software menu bar is arranged in the general order of simulation modeling, including the following in sequence: road network, vehicle and pedestrians, route, signal control, traffic model, simulation tools, 3D tools, simulation output. Each menu item can find its corresponding icon in the toolbar of the relevant module. In addition, It also includes the following basic software function menus: File, Edit, View, Plugins, Help, and other basic function menus. Road network, link and connector, pedestrian area. Traffic control includes signal, work zone, accident zone, public transportation systems, auxiliary information modeling, parking lot, toll station, emissions tools, edit intersection node, etc. Vehicle and pedestrians, vehicle type, vehicle composition, departure distribution, traffic input corresponding to toolbar icons, pedestrian type, pedestrian composition, pedestrian generation distribution. Route, static routes decision point, create route, delete route, pedestrian route, pedestrian starting point, pedestrian endpoint, pedestrian route, pedestrian decision point, parking route, toll routine. All these frequently used menu items have corresponding toolbar icons. Signal control, signal controller, traffic light, and arterial signal control optimization. Traffic model, parameter settings for car following model parameters, lane changing model parameters, crossing model, pedestrian model. Simulation tools. The simulation parameter settings panel allows you to set simulation period, simulation step, simulation speed, etc. Click to start simulation to start it. 3D tools, fully corresponding to the functions in the toolbar. Simulation output, evaluation parameter settings, data collector results, queue counter results, travel time and delay results, public transport results, spatial and temporal congestion heat map result, vehicle trajectory output, signal light state output, pedestrian evaluation settings and results, emission evaluation setting and results, intersection node evaluation, plugins, software plugins, such as the Macro-Micro Integrated Simulation plugin. Here users can view all plugin modules included in the current version. Help, copyright notice, user manual PDF, contact info, software activation, password and installation management, official website. Testing forum, secondary development online document, net test. You can browse the basic menus file, edit, view on your own. Let's focus on file recently opened. This section allows you to easily view the history records and open historical files from here. The software provides functions for moving and copying road objects to improve the efficiency of simulation modeling. Ctrl plus right mouse button. Copy the currently selected object to the new position of the mouse cursor. Ctrl plus left mouse button. Move the currently selected object to the new position of the mouse cursor.